Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura, and I'm going to open up a brand new monthly subscription box, and I'm very excited about this. I have been wanting to learn how to do this for a couple years now, and I am determined that this is the year for me to learn this craft, maybe do some painting, maybe work on my dolls, and not just embroidery machine dolls. I mean dolls, and make clothes, pin cushion dolls. I have, and I may have to go get it to show you guys, I have this doll that is a toilet tissue cover, and I was a little girl, and so this was a long time ago, and it's one of the few gifts that my grandmother gave me. We didn't see my maternal grandmother very much. My father's mother had passed away when I was very little, but she gave it to me. And I always had it on my dresser. I said it's one of those things that it's kind of special just because we didn't see her much, and she didn't give many gifts. Well, I've got it now in their bathroom, and it was so funny because one of my sons came out, "Mom, that in the bathroom, that doll, it's kind of creepy." And I was like, "Yeah, honey, it's an older doll. This is, a very old doll. It's one of those dress me dolls with the little eyes and just little bitty doll." So I'm wanting to learn that. But this is a resin craft. This is called Craft Kitsune. A little bit of history. Kitsune is a Japanese mythological creature. It's a fox with multiple tails, and it can have up to 9 tails. The more tails that it has means the older it is, the wiser it is, the more powerful it is. But Kitsune has to do with Japan, Japanese crafting. So this is a Craft Kitsune monthly subscription box. We'll put a link down below, and I believe with my link you'll get $8 off. Now, because it was my first one, I'll admit I ordered a couple of extra things. And because I ordered a diorama, I love dioramas. I love vignettes. So this was an extra thing that I had ordered. This is another item that I would love to learn how to make, would be dollhouse furniture, put together dollhouses, but don't really have room for it here. So that's probably going to be something that's later, but maybe start learning how to do it with little kits. So that's something I purchased separately. And then oh, that's not it. I ordered the beginners, the starter kit. So we have, of course it says precautions, we have 2-part resin, Sakura trinket dish, different things, but in it, I'm going to put stirrers and a mold and other things to all go with it. And the starter kit also came with somewhere in here. Oh, there it is. The starter kit also comes with, so you've got a mat. It's also got the dryer. And that would be one like what you'd see when you get your nails done, which I've only had my nails done a couple times. But, so that's going to help set it. So this comes with, from what I can gather, everything you need to get started. So I purchased that. I purchased the diorama. With the March kit came a free gift because I think I did a 3-month And they offer free gifts if you do 3 months, if you do 12 months and stuff. So this one came with, I believe, February's box, which was pets. Making pets, pet pins and different things. Oh, and I love this. It all looks like it's sustainable. We have our pin backs. We have our molds. We have some of our colors. And I will be honest, I don't know what most of this stuff is. This says it is UV resin clear. So this was a free gift. And I said they offer free gifts when you sign up and you do multiple. Because I spent over $25 or whatever the threshold was, I also got a mystery bag. And from what I can gather, that happens periodically. And I've got, let's see, some little scissors with a little case. And it looks like I got, I don't know what that is. Okay, I do like this though. It's a 3-part pouring. And all this is silicone. Got another mold. I got some flowers. More molds. Oh, looks like jewelry. Oh, that's cute. We have a cloud mold. That could be fun. I said, a lot of this stuff, I have no idea what all this is. But I'm going to have so much fun learning. So I have a lot of projects in the works. I'll be honest, I'm starting to think I might be ADHD. The whole thing of multiple projects and different, anyway. March's box. I was very intrigued by March's box. It's a where you dip flowers and you make resin flowers. So I was thinking that would be so much fun to do. And it comes with all kinds of little goodies. Okay, I've got my beading wire. It looks like I've got beads. I have UV dip. Let's see. Jewelry UV resin clear. And then it says peridot. So I guess it's a clear green. And a clear rose. Yeah, eyes are still not growing. This is little writing. And citron, so that's yellow. No idea. And then some instructions, and you have supply list. It says you need the UV resin dip clear. You need the jewelry resin, gold wire. Oh, that must be a wire gauge tool. Gold micro beads. And there's our beads, and there's the brown flocky powder. Forming wire flowers. Oh, okay, we're going to form wire flowers. Use the included gauge or stencils to form petals with the wire. Okay. Okay, that's going to be fun. So I'm going to be making my own wire flowers and then dipping it in the dip. Okay, that's awesome. And what it's showing, I'll show you what it's saying, that you can make stuff like that. Now, am I going to get it right the first time? Highly doubtful. This is another one I'm going to have to practice on. Darn. I just, so much practice time. But anything that you're going to do, you're going to need to practice. It's like with the sewing. The quilting. There are aspects of it I am still not good at. I still need to practice a lot with pinwheels, trying to get 8 little seams all there in the center. It's still very difficult for me. Color coordinating is still very difficult for me. I rely a lot on my husband for that. So lots of practice, but I have a lot of projects. And this is another one. Bear with me. Be patient. We are, trying to raise rabbits. I'm trying to do some canning, dealing with myasthenia gravis, wanting to do my sewing, making some bowl cozies and some towel toppers. I have a new embroidery machine designed for a new doll. Very excited. 3 kids in college. They're living at home. Yeah, we're a little nuts. Yeah, that's okay. That's why we're called Crazy Dave's Crew, because we're all crazy. So, join me on my journey for all of these things. And I said, I am really excited about them. I'm looking forward to delving in and messing with all of this. So this should all be fun. Don't forget to check out my other box openings. I've got the Sew Up box. I have Simply Earth essential oils. I have stopped the Apothecary at Home. What I realized, it rolls over. So basically, it's a 12-month. I still liked it. It's still awesome, but it's only a 12-month. I am looking into another Apothecary, but we're going to put that on hold right now, just for a little while. But I am wanting to learn how to incorporate more of the herbs and spices and things. Turmeric, helps with inflammation. Garlic, there are some things that are really good just to have added in. So right now I've got 3 subscription boxes, and I'm having a blast. Well, I said it's going to take some, there's a learning curve, but I sincerely hope you'll join me as I try to work through this. Laugh at me when I make my mistakes. I know I will. Just know it. That's all part of the learning process. Mistakes actually help you learn. We'll practice with all of these and just see what we can. What I'm hoping is by keeping knowledge going, I can help keep my mind active. I'm still young, but I also know I won't be young forever. So I'm definitely wanting to keep my mind active. I want to keep learning. I do not want to stagnate. And I have been wanting to learn how to make these, how to make jewelry boxes and the coasters. And what I'd really love to learn how to make is one of the tables with the fancy top on it. And I think that would just be marvelous. Probably not going to happen this week, this month, this year. We're going to start with the little diorama, and we'll start with a little sakura dish and making some wire flowers. And we'll just kind of go from there. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I hope you're excited about life. I hope that you find joy in the little things. If nothing else, I get to go to the mailbox and I have little presents, 2 or 3 presents every month. And it gives you something to look forward to. I think the worst part for me right now is I feel very behind, but that's okay. Take my time, enjoy it. Bring you along for the journey. Most importantly, I hope you will come back to see us here at Crazy Dave's Crew. Lots of sewing coming up, lots of crafting, lots of essential oils, lots of apothecary, lots of bunnies. We have got so much stuff going on, and we want you to be a part of it. So don't forget to come back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I hope to see you. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. And don't forget, Craft Kitsune. Use my link, get $8 off your box.